our God, yeah, never fail. Lord, you are faithful. Your words are perfect. Hello, guys. Guys, you can see my hands are feeling pain. Disconnect my hands yesterday. Day for yesterday in working place. What to do? We have reservation tomorrow. I don't have another person to help me to do it. I'm still here doing it. Okay. We are still managed doing it, and they pay me. We'll do it little today. Princess, get up now. Today when you come here. Have you used 1 hour come out? I used 2 hours go. Get up, come on. Yes, love. Get up, okay? Hello, guys. Good afternoon. See my topic there. Your boy, where you are? Hey, your boy, where? Hey, your boy, where, princess? Hey, your boy, where are you now? Guys, we are still at work. The man said they feel pain from my hand. We still there. Nobody go help us do more. Nobody. You see my topic today? My topic then, they are talking about France boys. Now vex, but I will talk to them. The message come today. This morning. The man said I disconnect my heart yesterday on my work. Therefore yesterday on my work. You see? But I'm still here today. We have reservation tomorrow. By morning, 9 o'clock. But what to do? I don't have another person to help me to do it. I'm still here. I always tell women, be strong to yourself, you know. Be strong. If you're not lazy, you know feel your yao. If you're not lazy, you know your ya. Morok bayro no ya we aku. Morok bayro no eti ya we ku. O amu oke do ya we aku. You go dey fear before you go. You have your babu 7 years. Men ata me ba no we ya mo. Because all it will need be without me. All it will need be, you know. France boys, I beg. Now on account of today, when I not vessel eat, there will be some with someone with day. And someone with day. I beg, woman, be strong to yourself because. I bet if you are coming, good afternoon. Press love and like, guys. Please love and like and share this video. When I story don't come today, when you read, if I read my topic there, I'm here, still happy myself. We have reservation tomorrow morning by 9 o'clock in the morning. If I not clean it today, nobody will do it for me. You know, I have injury on my hand. I disconnect my hand in my working place day for yesterday. I'm still here today again. I just lose everything they used to tie it. You can see, I'm still feeling pain. You know, this is the place they lose it and try to fix the hand. You know, I'm just telling you, France boys. My topic today is France boys. France boys. If you see a woman that will be pregnant, do not toast that woman. You know, say that pregnancy no be your own. You know, say not be your own. Not toast her. Because you dey find documents. No go, not toast am, because problem go dey. Problem dey. Problem dey. Because they say for Paris, now wetin una they do be that. Now you know say that girl get belle. Because of documents, now they tell us, okay, after you born my own. The girl go the thing say na love and space and now you go do one. Everything that you go do. And the girl don't know say na another plan entirely now you get for her. You don't know say na another plan entirely now you get. Mama what? He no fit pass. Yeah, come. Let me just. Oh yeah, pass. You know say another plan entirely now you get from her. She go tell you say na love, now you love her. She go tell you say na happiness, now you get for her. She no go know say na lie. Na documents, now you dey after. You think say women go you get document or you free yourself like that, give you that document. Woman, because if I get document, go you can't give you like that. Wey be say no be you get that pikin. He know say no be you get them. Because a friend, the girl called me yesterday, this morning. She was explaining things to me. I know that girl before. She explained to me, say that when she get belle, she was dating this guy in Italy. This guy not tell her, say man, she get serious girlfriend. After everything, this guy will buy ticket, come France, come see her for France. She can't get belle. That pregnancy can't take 3 to 4 months. Can't say, I may still travel, go see this boy. As he reach now, can't say the guy get girlfriend. Serious girlfriend, Charlie, get girlfriend. Can't vex, it's everything, can't cause quarrel. Can't come back to France. France, we all know that if you are living in France, if your pregnancy is more than 2 to 3 months, 4 months, France will not do it for you. They will not do it for you. She was like, she cried. She said our plan was, she was not planning to even be a single mom. Was just trying to have a family and to have a husband around him. Because to be a single mom is not easy at all. It's not easy. He said after them, this guy, because they were living in the village close to Paris. I don't want to mention the city. He said this guy was toasting her for this pregnancy. Was like, I was pregnant. Said the guy knows. I know. After you gave birth, you will born my own. After you gave birth, you will born my own. The guy was there. He said when she wants to go and do space, this boy will go there, go and do space for him, have buy water, help her to do everything. He was planning that. Okay, after I really gave birth, I will take serious in the relationship with the guy. Since we are living together in the same city. You don't know that boy have another entirely plan. You see, after that, she gave birth through operation. When she gave birth through operation, when you are living in France, when you gave birth, there is a best ticket they will give to you. Some city lasts 5 days before it expire. Some city lasts 3 days before it expire. After 2 days when she gave birth, she called this guy. I gave birth to, can you help me to come to the hospital? This boy come to the hospital as he come. He said, please, help me. The mistake she made. Because he said she don't have another, she don't have, her own friend was not around when she gave birth. Her girlfriend was not around when she gave birth. It's only that boy she can call. Say the boy, he called the boy, please, can you help me to go to Alameri to declare this baby? The boy said, okay. When you go there, tell them that the mother is in hospital. When I get home, I will go back to Alameri. Yes, it's true. When you get back home, you can go to Alameri to go and take sign by yourself, do everything by yourself again. But just to declare it that yes, they know, they'll give her the birth certificate for the first. They will not even give her the brief birth certificate, but they will give her the one that then they already registered the baby that okay, this baby was born in so time like this in France. Okay, they will just sign, as in they will pull snap. They will not allow him to snap to sign. Their signature will not be there. He said when this boy reached Alameri, this boy declared the baby that he is the father of this baby. Oh yeah, do what you are doing now. This boy declared that he is the father of this innocent baby. He said after that, this boy have 1 month in France. Because the boy told me, they say around in Italy, they was giving the boy one month. He said after this boy declared that he is the father of the baby, they say, okay, if you have any document you can present, like any identity card, you bring the 1 month out, the boy sign everything. Yes, they can allow him to sign because he declared that he's the father of the baby. They can allow him. They will think that, yes, he's not the father of the baby. Why can he come here? You see, sometimes, when we are making mistakes, we will not understand the mistake we have made. This boy declared everything. He take the birth certificate home. After they don't even tell this girl that I declare this baby as my own. Let this girl know that, okay, the plan, when he go there, he will feel that, okay, this boy already declared this baby, like, he's the father of the baby. Please, guys, good afternoon. Please press love and like this video, guys, please. You see, after them, after like 2 weeks she spent in the hospital because the baby was having some problem. They stay in the hospital. After they gave her the baby, then he come home. After a month of it, he was trying to do everything to send the birth certificate to a calf and everything. He need to have the real birth certificate. He need to have the real birth certificate. He said after that, she went to Alameri to go and take the original one. Like the way she changed the guy, I need to go and sign. I need to go and declare. Don't sign, as in just declare the baby. Give them that the mother is in the hospital. I gave that through operation. All those things when you explain, because I helped somebody like that before. I helped somebody like that before. My name was they just asked me because that I have document. Even though I don't even have document, they will not even mind me. They will just like, okay, when this also person come like this, just only snap they will put. They know that very day. When you came back, you will go there, go and sign by yourself. After that, he said when he went there for Lamiri, they told her that we gave everything to the baby, your baby father, your boyfriend, because first call it boyfriend. If you are not married, you don't have a marriage certificate, is your boyfriend. Even though you have 20 children for the boy, is your boyfriend. He said the girl was like, my boyfriend. He said, yes. I don't understand. He said, yes, you sent somebody like so day like this now to come to declare the baby. He said, yes, he was my friend. He said, yeah, this boy said he's the father of the baby. This girl was like, are you kidding me? He said, yes. He said, okay, before we do anything for you, go and call this boy, come here. He was trying to call the boy. The boy ran for the city to Paris. He take every birth certificate to Paris. As the boy got to Paris, he went to Prophet 2. That is where they give document. He went there to go and tell them that he have a baby. In so sit like this because the baby name, everything was the document. It was the birth certificate. They gave her 6 months. They changed that 1 month to 6 months for this boy in Paris. After that boy had that 6 months, this girl wanted to do a lot of things. Because she was having problem because they said if without that boy didn't come back to say this not the father, they will not give her the real birth certificate and everything because she don't even have anything. This boy's son and everything, she don't even, the boy don't go to hospital again to go and give her the birth certificate and everything. He don't even go. Okay, I need my baby birth certificate. Without your baby birth certificate, you can't do anything for the baby. They say without that boy doesn't come and say yes, I'm not the father. They will not give this girl anything. This girl started crying. I always advise some girls, if you are in France, you have documents, you are pregnant. When that pregnancy is 5 months, let me just use the opportunity to say this video here. If that pregnancy is 5 to 6 months, guy, went by yourself to Alameri, go and declare that baby by yourself. If the father said no, let that 6 months, go by yourself. Go and if you have documents, even though you don't have documents, go by yourself. Go and tell them for the Alameri there that this baby, I want to do declaration for my baby. They will ask you the baby name and everything. They will do the declaration for you. When you gave birth, after you gave birth, you can even take to the hospital there. You don't have nobody to help you. That hospital will take that birth certificate to the Alameri. When they take the birth certificate to the Alameri, they know that your signature was there before, everything was there before. They will do everything for your care. After you get back home, You can go back to Alameri, go and sign. They will give you everything you want. Without you don't involve another person there to be your problem tomorrow. Yes, Lord. How are you? I can't carry you. My heart is paining me. You know that. Sorry. Yeah, come. Sorry. Come, sorry, man. You know, he said that place she was having problem. They was calling this boy. This boy was not picking a call. He was trying to reach this boy. This boy changed line. Because he just gets only 6 months. 6 months, so not be saying that another comment they give you 6 months because you want to take 400 in no fee. You want to be enjoying 430 in no fee. You just destroy innocent person life like that. He said after them, she was fighting and everything. He went to the police station to go and report. After he went to the police station, he don't even know the name of the boy. The name the boy used for document, he don't know. The real name he know that he's calling the boy. He tell the police, they share that name in the system. They didn't see the kind of name. They say, do you have this guy pictures? He say, yes. He gave this guy pictures to them. Good afternoon, guys. Please share, press love and like, guys. Share this video, please, guys. He said after there, the police was trying to locate this boy. They take the pictures to Prophet Sue. And Prophet Sue bring the real name to this police. There was like, when they called this guy, the number is not going. They're waiting that 6 months. This girl didn't even have anything. She don't have money. Without that, they will not pay you because they need that baby birth certificate to have it to your name before you will be receive anything. Then she found that time she don't have anything. She don't have nobody. Even this guy that responsible for this pregnancy that live in Italy, you don't even have. As in, I don't understand you guys. I don't understand Nigerians. I don't understand. I don't understand. He said after the police trying to, when the guy come to renew, police hold this guy. They ask this boy, are you the father of this baby? He said no. Why do you say you are the father of this baby in Alameri? He said because she need document. Why you don't explain to this girl like that? Why do you deceive the girl? Why do you put the girl for pain? From there, police called this girl to come to the police station to write statement and everything. You know, with the anger, now they said, the girl said with the anger, he told the police, he don't care, even though the guy go to jail, I don't care. The police detained this boy. They detained it. They gave her paper, the police report and everything to go to Alameri before she was tied to change everything and everything, pain to pain, stress to stress, before she understand everything, because she don't understand French like that. You know, when you don't understand French like that, you are still going to, the thing will be difficult for you. Everything will be difficult for you. She suffered a lot. She suffered a lot. He said after the guy, the boy, sister live in Paris. He said the guy's sister was like complaining, spoiling her name. Now his brother girlfriend, though, he put his brother for jail, You don't even care to add this code, to find this girl number, to call this girl, to beg him, because your brother do a criminal case. It's a criminal case. The child you don't know, you know that is not yours. You don't even close to there. You don't even close to there. It's because the police do the DNA test. They do. France, they don't do DNA test because they said it cause a problem a lot. It's online, but if you involve police, they will do for you. Police do the DNA test. They look, the baby was not even close to this boy at all. Why did you do that? You promised to help. The thing was not help anymore. What? It's okay, Mama. Mama is paying me, you know that. Wasabi, okay? Yes, now. Okay, you know that the baby is not yours. Why do you do that? Help me to go to Alameri to go and tell them that and get birth. You reach there, you change everything. That you are the father of the baby. Yeah. After that, he said this boy, I think this boy was like spending like a month or 2 months. He have chance to call her mother in Nigeria. Gave this girl number. For this boy mother to call this innocent girl to beg. He was threatening the girl's life. Echo. Niye dotona. Aviji man in Africa. If you want call over the webo where a remi atiana soon, one not a say what can I wait for? One navy what I say what can I wait for? Omon we might be a what is threatening a life for her. Oh, where you regan? What threatening a life for? Oh, you come a police who threatening a life in you. Oh, wherever for how many years? Who bet to fear the witchy? Who bet because of war offender? You offend the way, Mama stop. No. Oh, well, offended, you offend the way. As I say, dog, and I say, why would threaten a walk bewa and why have yes cemetery because of a or more where you gone? You get where gone, hey, you get where gone. Because a video now, why share video now? I reject my son in Nigeria. I don't understand who Warokba. I don't understand the one that they live life. I don't understand the woman who threatening Asian boy. I bet told they could see is all what be when I go just so why not be like this now? Why not they be like this? Why not they deceive on our children? Children go your corner for Europe, they know they tell our truth. I send a bonnet a bon what the winner because I want to have a young winner. Children they work with truth. You don't know if you work for lies. Yeah, come down. Yeah, go and bring your toy. Go and bring your toys for me. Juju cannot work with lies. Juju work with truth. What's the one out of it and have a more? So, no boy, you know, be Mariano, be Mariave. Daria Mariave, you know, be Mariano, be Mariave. I love my mother so much. I don't feel call my mom now. Say, so I know say the thing I'm like, I what they tell her. He not go believe because he know the children were born. You know children were born. He go always tell me say, calm down. Tomorrow you tell me the truth. I really did go break. I go call her even that night. I go call her mommy. I need someone no dog no. You know ya soon. She believe me because she know that time when I tell her lies. If I want to tell her the truth, I go calm down. Tell her the truth. She go believe me. Go no say, hey, but wait and water. That one when you first talk yesterday, okay, one he imagine me, yet you only are with me. No, we water now, oh, them water. Oh, no, them water now, also, boy, she will from there started praying with you. And nothing can stop it, nobody can stop you, you are untouchable. You will be a movie train. Why so you're the full of lies? You they call your mother, they lie. You can never tell that woman's truth one day. And the women now, they don't go want to ask their children what did they happen. Now believe the lies. Eh? When you stand for the lies. Eh, we wait time me. Or woman ye gan. Or we on yamo. Or one yamo. You wait in the test over yamo. Or welcome to be a woman love yeke. Well, where yamo, eh? Guys, women for France, they tell una, they beg una. If you know say you get the man, they toast you. Not grieve, even though the father of that innocent or born child say you know they fine. Born your picking first. Born her first before you find another person. When I go get belly, you go get belly, you go they find another boy, maybe they carry Carello follow you. You know if you carry your Carello. You know if you know if people say why you want bone. No, go do prevention for body if you never ready to take care of yourself, take care of your born children when you want breathe for life. Go do prevention for yourself. I vex for you this morning. You know that. I vex because I be woman. Nobody will know they made mistakes. Me too, I have my past. I have mistake when I made before. I beg for forgiveness for God. I ask God, say, forgive me. Really, I know that God will forgive me because I stand for the truth. When you stand for truth, you beg for forgiveness for God. God will forgive you. Oh, you my way be say, go they judge you around. Let them judge you. Don't give a fuck them. Make them judge you. Not listen for what people will talk about you. Nobody will not get set back. Nobody. I said there so people they talk about me. I said they do this live video so people they talk about me. Becky one here 10 fucking words. Not me. If you know me before, say they misbehave. If you know me now, you don't know say I know they misbehave. I found that I had children. I have a mother. I have a girl like going to 12 years old. I have a girl that's going to 2 years old. Don't say the time you know me for 3 years, 8 years ago, or 6 years ago. This time, no, I'm not. I'm a changed person. I know they do rubbish. You know me that 8 years ago. Yes, I know they do rubbish. We feel they play, we feel they use ourselves till they talk. We know, guess, if they play, nothing will not they tell you that. Yes. About you, if you tell your friend will tell you about me. If I tell you about me, you go to use and laugh me, you are your own. Concern me. If I say you know they feed me, that one I know the reason now. Why not be like that? When I say you will get below, now you want to take advantage because you need documents. You want to take advantage for the girl life because now you get picky. Now you get picky. You know say not be you get am. Because the girl say you now let me go do declaration. France, yes. Now what did they happen? And France they believe that thing. If you go France, go their court, that is Alameri, where we do declaration for children. You read there, you tell the say now you get pikin. They go let you sign. Because they know say now only you father fit on your own. No, don't they know. Princess, stop that, dear. What stop here? Yeah, stop, okay? I'm coming. Just the 2 minutes, I'll finish, okay? I'll round up. You know you get picky, you get bella, you as in, I don't understand the way I want to tell you. And then live video. Princess, that they pay me, so stop. Why? Why not they do like that? Woman get belly, you go the toast stand. I love you. I will be I will be there for you. When you know say that woman get belly, she did hot, she dey feel pain. She dey feel pain already. You go carry another pain, Jenna. Who get picky data? Italy boys, wanna stop this nonsense. If you know some of the friend girls for any country, you know say never ready to be there with the girl. Not give her belly. Prevent yourself. Make they take prevention. What you worry on sometimes? Make they take prevention. If they real prevention, if what part of prevention? If they real prevention. They give women belly different. Give women belly finish. Some men will all get baby mama 6-7 for different country. Not be the one they do for Jamie. Una give the belly finish, una go abandon them. That time you call the don't say you don't like her. Woman when you not like, why you go give her belly? Why you go friend her something before she go come get belly? Why? Why? And our mom for Nigeria, our mother for Africa are big. I used to go beg una. If una children call una, say see what the woman do. See what the woman do. Mama, beg, mona call the girls, mona tell her say give me the girl number. You be woman nah. Oh, salo boy, like you make be ye tie. You be woman. You be woman. Oh, walking eh? When don't talk him, where you know who you know fit tell that your pikin say, okay, give me this girl number. Nicole any matanoro. You know go fit as a mother. May you can't know the truth way there. No call of your canal, no gonna know no more what je where you no more. No echo young wire no get him at a we do one yamu. Even though where I will be when no way. Of you when no other Paris in the up there, remember your way because I know I Emma who are going to quick who were on Geno. Who are back quick one, not treating them in Nigeria where you are bear where you are one another, who bear up by a year, or in about where man who bear up back. Yeah, I came on so about Darakotana Yatsi. I'll call you. Yeah, let's see, we are record you, AJ. Because oh what work be? Ni me send the girl we give me no high. Oh what work be? Oh work be? Oh where go? Oh we mama tete on river for river because a criminal case na he no go work we. Ula ya sign who go nyam una do mo e get for a good 6 months no ami agbeke komo. No ami agbe o gba ma ko no pani my door ye don't live a life. Men. Fuck you guys, man. I remember, see, for me to be suffering, I remember to be a single to enjoy my life. For me to be suffering, for me, I remember to be single. Some people they don't even get or don't care. Now make me like for Igbo life. For Igbo not they care, even though you get not get. So far you see say that life. May get that peace life. May get that life. That's peace life. Make they don't deliver. They don't care. People go come get belly for you for 1 month. You know that guy say yakman we emona ubi eme yakman ekoni. Me I don't see I don't see ma. Wait, tell me say Becky, I dey prevent myself. I don't want me get belly for me. Ma they take now. Peace day for me they take. I will a piece no me fault for kiki, but you go they take can not be every time. You know every time after they meet. Why not free stay? Why not why to stay? I know. Me, I feel day. I not be say I dey brag or I dey boast. No, the time what those things it don't pass. No, it don't pass. Now September won't complete us. It go be 1 year. Since September last year when I come for Italy when I get accidents. Till now, me and my mom never see. We never see. It day you and them my own. For me to come be so free for your hand, come they feel pain every day, come they cry, make my pillow they full. I go you they enjoy my life, my guy. Hey, I like enjoyment all verse. It's so fuck baby Robocan. Then you make your woman and they say can a 19 no na make pe go one. Can make pe go many enjoy life. We go to who you can blue deal. Come they carry I call they eat medicine every day. The BP go they high. I call they eat medicine because of who? Because of man. We not they think about me. Fuck you. Women, it's hard time for you guys to be strong for yourself. Like me now, and they pay me. You see, mad. I fought there for yesterday for a working place. This place disconnects. Now this morning, now I remove the band where they put because I don't want to put the band to do video. But they see where they for do this thing. They open and small. They arrange my hand for me. They stitch and small. Okay, now I think tomorrow we get reservation for this as when they clean. Reservation they come tomorrow morning 9 o'clock. Today I'm not supposed to come here because I need this. Now the hand I want to walk, I want to do everything. But I still there here with my pikin. I need to walk. Even though now 70 euro that they pay me or now 50 euro that they pay me now money. If I do this clean and checking people it now keep there with me. I know how much I receive for one person. If reservation too many now like this month now next month we get reservation. Sometimes 3 days people go enter 3 days. The day when that one go come on, another one they go come on. Maybe I feel get that kind of 15 people or 18 people coming for 1 month or 2 months. Calculate how much go be that. Now man go come day man. I know because they maybe na money or whatever. Say I no go respect man. They respect me. When know me, they know me. Yes, men that know me, they know. If you reason me say me Becky, me I respect you. See, I go lawyer. You see when you gonna do gada like say maybe tomorrow not day you be like one fish where you make for soup for all dry soup. You see me? You see me? You feel call me for 1 month, that my phone not go again for you. You not go, you not connect for your phone. That is me for you. That is me for you. More is that time for women to strong for yourself. Be who you want to be for yourself. Don't be lazy. Because if you're lazy, man gonna use you now. He gonna use you anyhow. He gonna say after all, now me go feed down. I think because I'm in the you die for here today to go cause and reach tomorrow, you know talk. But maybe you get what you do. That man say you are a bull lion. Before they talk to you, say go see the look. Yeah, we go. Please guys, share this video and press love and like. One stop. One and stop, Paris boys, one and stop. Woman don't get belly, you know, say not be your own. Not the toast time again. Let her born first if you get interested. Let her born first. Give her a chance. What be say woman get belly, you they run for long like say maybe tomorrow not they say na you because of documents. Because of documents. I can see here one story that time for Paris where one girl cause he cried out. I don't know who carried that video. One woman where sit out to that time we carried the video say he get belly and so the boy still do the same thing. Document again. Woman will get belly. You know say not be you go to declare you go to run for long. Now you get the belly as you day jail so it good for you. It good for you as you day there so it good for you. I wish you congratulations for inside that jail. I wish you the best congratulations for inside that place. You're they enjoy, no worry now. If that girl no go tell them say make they leave you, they no go leave you. That your mama where they threaten her, so that your sister where they threaten her, so cry. May your sister now, may go police station. She not get paper, you get paper. May go police station now, go tell them say, nah, your brother. May go now. May go now. For what to call the girl, they beg her, they pay her, may calm down. May she go tell police say, hey, after so no don't help me do, I don't feel go take my baby birth certificate, I don't feel help me, no don't feel help me do everything. More than leave her, may they go. They go leave her and go. But now they threaten her, Jenna. Your mama they call her, he go kill her, he go do this. What your mama go do? Your mama not do nothing. He just bet to fear. Good afternoon, dear. He just bet to fear. He just bet to fear. He just bet to fear. Mona stop, oh, Mona stop. They know they break me say maybe now the time will be say summertime so I go call the sleep. I me over. He winna. See I want winna. I saw manake we want is give me kwen hey. Okpe ya respect you we. Okpe ni we who we stressing ye be. Wait now. Woman we if get belle. Not even suppose say me man toast you me you gree self. What in the water una? Even gree. You get belle for another person. Even though not done not there. Why you go gree? Why you go gree? Not be high where you dey smile give man. I'm go say no say that belle be like say nobody did there. Maybe you excuse wait 24 hours. What you concern now? Maybe fear not go even let her near you. You not there. Beg you not good. I good like I take on like that. Like this year. My city, huh? My city here, no Nigeria, no Nigeria. He go feel bust. Come and say me Becky. He even know my address for my house. You know there. What you want to find for my house? Who you want to find? Now be things where you laugh with man. I'm after they see you finish. When you see say they come, me and they can quarrel. They know me. I know they give you that chance. Or you come see me, guys tell me, bonjour, how are you? How are you? Who you they ask how are you? Are you mad? Who you they ask how are you? You will fool yourself for your city. You go get serious relationship. If you want to walk out for street, you will they shame. Never. I know they do one. He no go. I follow say I carry for no far place. He go get respect for me. He go get respect. Where my mother they far for where I did. If even feel maybe one even concern, maybe one can see daughter or anything, it will take maybe 8 hours. 8 hours before you go this way I did. It good like that. Now me you want to call they turn around. So go they beat me for after I can't clear so now they come one idiot go come in my phone. Hello, you there ask. I be want to eat. Who eat waiting? Food na I know say food. Me I know they see people who know me for food. Food nothing. I nothing for where I did. But at least you know if you pass down one thing inside my body. It's not possible. Mama, what? Sorry, dear. I go and bring water. Make you drink. Good girl. Go and bring water in the fridge. Okay? C'est la frigo. Dolo, c'est la frigo. Go and bring it in the fridge. Call. You hear me, guys? Please. If you are married, even though you not married, you don't already get that belly. France girls, I they tell una so as soon as they complain for men. France girls, why mago buwa? And no matter what, you why we read a video now. Why don't tear bomb me? Not really tear bomb me. What you go buwe? Because I met a tap. I know so now come for me, oh, but me I not care for now. One of the drop us now, they drop off for my message. I they see when I comment. I know the mouth now. I know me, I know the mouth now. No, you not stop me for where they go. Like head and head. You get belly, you know say you don't get belly. That belly don't come out. Boys go even toast you. Okay, as me you come there say I get belly. I get belly. And you come there walk out for street. One idiot man go just see me go say hello. Now your papa give me belly. Go because you know say I carry belly. When I get my daughter belly, if papa not there here. You not there with me. Now sometimes he tell they come. I they walk, I they waka, I they stroll. Now summertime. Okay, so go they waka they go. One man go come tell me, hello, bonjour, can't do it. If you will see my hair for head, you know wrong. You don't know so get belly. Una get belly. Man go even say hello. You go turn back. You won't go tell her hello. He go no say you know there was mass now. Say the belly no nobody get her. I will tell you this morning, say, if not be say sense where you can't get, or where police can't where you can't get sent to go police station where they can't help you. You for dead, that boy will get paper for that pikin head. You go see there, you go they suffer. Hungry go they beat you. Yes, love. You know say how they pay mama. I don't want me to show. They show small. You understand? It's hard time for women to know what they get. Please. Know what is good for you. Now, wow, no get that. Make yourself responsible. Make people when they see you know say this day don't say they responsible. So go even once they don't go know how they want to tell you hello. But if you know they're responsible, and where are doti hello? On what doti hello? Where doti hello? Go my message. As now, if person say maybe person really they bring heart of message. I'll not be that. If I don't tire. You can't force me. Women now, please. They say I said Paris for that side. You know what do? We wanna over you. Responsible all day, oh. Who just see the responsible day? Many. I got one of my girlfriends here. She too the responsible now. She too responsible now. 2 boys she gets, so you don't marry. You there with your husband. Eh? Now Paris, but that's how she did. Now get the now they use after they to another person. Oh, why you got the location? I can't why I want no nya or Italy get oh bon more money. Say you want show yourself. Hello. Oh yeah, we end it now. We end it now. Just we end it now. I beg, no na stop. It's that time for women to stop that. Boys on Paris, more and stop, I beg. When I see that woman get belly, Joe, why you toasting her? Get bien, let her born first. If you don't give birth, you won't go toast her. Go now. No, you not gonna get anybody again. Go toast her, no problem. No fear. Gather mind, go toast her. Tell her say how you did. He go greet you. If you get interested, he go tell you. If you not interested, he go come out. No be say she go get belly. You go they tell her say, I go help you. I go do this one. Yeah, after the day where you go born, you they wait. Because you know say she not get another person where go help her. You they target that very time. Why? Why not be like that? I want to drink water. Let me bring. Oh, yeah. Why not they do like that? Why can drink water, take. When you know say not be you get her. Shower, how are you? Good afternoon. If you get belly, no grief. No grief for any man again. Born that pikin first, that pikin na your own. Born that first, all bueno. We can no plan na way on nya. Bi your money all bueno ba we. O so no boy don leg egbe care money odo ya gbe woro we. If he bless you, take now. You don't want to drink, okay? If you use that baby, through that baby, take bless you. If you don't be person where you get document before, maybe before you give birth to that pikin, you go get documents. Maybe before if you don't get house before that pikin go come, you go get house. Don't let people deceive you. I know they give all those boys time again. Hey, if you get that belly, no. Because of that innocent pikin, respect that pikin. If you don't want to respect yourself, respect that pikin, I beg. Respect that pikin. Don't be say you can't get belly, you can't see they smile anymore when you see you they put it. You go say, oh, this one not your get again, I'll go. You go come, I go come tell you hello. You go come, they tell you sweet word. Maybe that one where be the papa of the beginning. If they make you, they cry every day. You can't say one idiot and come, they tell you sweet thing. You still say irresponsible. Now it was pass who get belly. Because now document is fine. Yeah, we know. Yeah, what the document 9 months in a full scanning the France in the Niani. Before that 9 months in the that for 400 for 400 in it. Yeah, one every month. If I see now with country where he actually collecting only with a card. If you women are located and I collecting where a machine. Nigeria. He are not located where a cardinal and making a very edgy. You were here, any the boy, any fear, the notes in the royal very near. There women are located me. Men were located me here. Men were located me. Any smooth while located any babana. Any smooth while located anywhere. Because of 440, we are more jigbedia. Among where no, you are more only jigbedia. Because a 40 again, because it's time I know, we don't know a 40 bueno. A 40 bueno. I want no one made a mistake. A 40 bueno, my sister, because when in the jail, we may you give me a tell that be I tell you, I will live video. If you like, you take. If you don't like, you don't take. May I tell you, again, we may give it. I don't remember one, I not day. Now sometimes they come. Before I born, I know how many times I feel how many times when it come. But and they walk out for someone. And they go. Okay, I see them, they not there around me. Okay, I see dress like this. Come where for they walk with Piki. One Nigerian boy now will eat belly full. Okay, but you when I want you waba. I don't know hello, how are you? You are baller with me. Yeah, Becky no good, I know. For my city here, my boy come out, come talk for live video, say, many Becky, and dressing me, you know, women, you know, coming me, me, never no bunny, and you know, you are calling me. A hero. Hero. I, ya, mu, Metin one and no, I'll put me dear, what, where you day, and they're hungry. What will you they waiting? I want him, you're fitting me, no fitting me, not be on one feed that they find. I want to collect for you. Let me see the fine. For Nigeria, that's an man they take care of woman. You want to do your hair now, man. You want make nails now, man. You want wear clothes now, man. Anything at all now, man. Now, man, where you there with everybody they do. But I got my bone here, Jerry. Oh, yeah, your bone while we're bona. Oh, no, go, die. Why is our time men have to get up to work for women? Is our time men have to work for their women? When we don't know why you working one where we die, you miss go mother. Woman, where you go, they take care of. Where you they back clothes for her. Where you they dress the woman, you they make the woman they look good. Take 24 hours a day. That woman can never disrespect you. Never. When they know say you, now you be the bone lion when you get. Now you be the teeth when you get. Now you they make her they feel happy. You know say every day and night, you get mad beside her. If you talk, you go answer. If you talk, you go hear. Anything when they tell you, you they hear. Ask me whether when you go talk one woman go say two. You know they oh. That kind of woman let all the as kujo the azeni. Okoni na aro no kbiani gele una radio. Wona do ade so say when get kujo na the azeni re. Error when be say woman go now you go back get money we want to back close for yourself. Now you go get money we want to back for you. Even you go back for you. You will contact that woman hello, you go tell you ah. If you tell her how you dey, go tell you say I'm not there fine. Because now they see they take care of yourself, now they take care of you too. How that kind of woman go tell respect you? You not there, you not go feel respect you if you dey find that kind of woman. You not there, you not there for Nigeria, you not there for Benin, you not there for Yoruba, you not there any tribe again. This 21st century world we there, so that kind of women not there again. You not there. This video, I'm gonna share this video, I'm gonna press love and like, I'm gonna drop in a comment, guys. Please. Any man where don't fit take care of your wife, you are not a man. Any man where don't fit take care of your girlfriend, when you can't say girlfriend, you are not a man. You will come tell the girl, deceive her, you love her, the girl can't get pele. When you know say you get serious girlfriend, not good. Oh. If you know say you get serious girlfriend, where you dey date another girl for another country, because many of them wey don't they work na computer na they buy. A lot of people are there. No why hunty. A lot of people why hunty who why a different I'm different in France a ha. Okpa le Jenny ha. Wa eru why vian. Eru why vian. You will not drink water. Why your nose rush? Eru why kuya. Woman now computer no who what to that we computer 24 hours. E get a son if dey caro white neighbor friends here. Why dey caro white no yak pe yo ven wa. O ma go wan we pe yo ven ma be onya eh? Oma be onya o pe no we caro white pe yo ven. Caro white ga expire you. Get it? Eh? Oma be onya o dupon okpia. Okpia yen jupon ni ne. Oya my picture I said that you were not there. I said that girlfriend all way. I will look at the way I look good, baby. I not do money. Yes, I said that you were Facebook where dog with a post Facebook where I'm you. Where I will not need any boyfriend you know the office here. My there or mute the picture only why I would do. Imagine that time I guys small and stop this thing now. I beg. I even don't even work. Even don't even work because again, even though I go and it was painful. Eh? I feel pain. Where you get the boy or threatening here. Your man hear you. Now make me come out because I didn't work in place. Now make me say, okay, now you use this opportunity because today if I reach us, I not fit do anything again. Because today I get a lot of things to do. If I come out for you and I get where they go. Sorry. No carry a pack on for carry it for back. Sorry, dear. Yeah. Funny girl like you. You're too funny. Yeah, go dodo now. Go dodo in the bed. Go dodo in the bed. Yeah, dodo in the bed. Dodo in the bed. In the bed. Yeah, dodo in the bed. It's our time. Good afternoon. It's our time for a man have to be strong for their women. Why you have more diagmo? Why see very biene. Or can any country no riaje. Una I want money won ye. Or can my brother, while I will. O when you get on one or tea serious no more, one hour wabwe to take. Mona live together. Mona let peace reign for because of that all those children. If the woman and sleepers will not get paper for where you dey wait for go born, you be the man, you get paper for where you dey, you get house, you dey capable. Carry that woman, tell that woman may come for where you dey, may come stay with you. I beg. Mona live together with peace. Now we every run we you get yourself, but time they come where you regret, you will lose that woman for good woman where God be give you before you lose her because of say you don't want to stay with her. You don't want to deal with her. You know, even though say you know even day where a day. You see that call, you they call them, you they go they see them every time. It's very important.